Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the dark mode on your Motorola Moto G73 5G. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to display, and then you have the dark theme here. You can turn that on just all the time, or if you click on it, you can also say to schedule the dark theme. You can say turn on at custom time or turn on from sunset to sunrise. We say turn on at a custom time, so the start time for it is like, I don't know, let's say 11 p.m. tonight, and then end time tomorrow at, let's say 8 in the morning. So tonight at 11, the dark theme will turn on, and tomorrow at 8 a.m, the light theme will appear again. If you just don't want the dark theme, you can turn that off again here, or turn it on, whatever you like. The dark theme will save you some battery. It's also nice for your eyes if you're like under low light conditions, and it also gives you just a chic appearance. So that's how you can turn on and off the dark mode on your Motorola Moto G73 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.